G'day folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. After months of drought, Queensland's finally moving into a more prosperous phase of summer rain. The southern half of the state will get the lion's share in the next couple of days, but in the longer term the whole state will benefit from several rain-bearing influences, including a developing monsoonal low in the Coral Sea. Unfortunately, the cool change won't make it to the Capricorn coast, so today was another ugly one. Rockhampton had a temp range of 25 to 38 degrees, which is quite unbearable. On the satellite loop, you'll see in a moment a front or a southeasterly change in the form of a cloud that's now moving up the southeast Queensland coast. Not only is it acting as a cool wind change, but it's also acting as a lifting zone to raise moist air and turn it into some pretty decent rain, which over the next few days is going to dominate most of eastern Queensland, in fact right through the centre. Even today, west of Gladstone, we've had some really solid falls right down through to the Sunshine Coast and right up even to northwest. Even on the Atherton Tablelands we've had some storms. Now today's chart, there's the change. It's a southeasterly and it's a trough. Ahead of it, the winds are still very hot and coming from the north-northwest, extremely humid, nothing's changed. But just in the southeastern quadrant of the state, the cooler southerlies behind that trough have merged, causing all the rain and bringing the temperatures right down. That includes the Darling Downs. On tomorrow's chart, the change moves a bit further north, some heavy falls across southern Queensland. And then on the outlook chart, rainfall extends to most of the east coast and right through the central interior as well. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Capricornia waters, southeast to east winds 15 to 20 knots. On Thursday, that's tomorrow, on Thursday 10 to 15, and then on Friday still 10 to 15 knots. At the moment we've got our high tide around dawn and dusk and our low tides around the middle of the day with only a modest swing between. The Capricornia district forecast, showers and possible thunderstorms tomorrow. 31 the top for Gladstone, Rockhampton 25 to 32. Billawheeler 33 and 29 for Yeppoon. The Central Highlands and coalfields, there'll be some rain tomorrow, mainly in the south with heavy falls and thunderstorms. Emerald 24 to 31 degrees, Claremont 33, Moranbah 36. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, a cloudy week ahead with a potential for showers on most days, though still very humid, especially at night, and a deepening tropical low in the Coral Sea. And that's all for this evening, folks. Pleasure to have your company once again, and thanks for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow with more on the latest and greatest. Hope you can join me then. Now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. And that's all from us for this Tuesday. Thanks for your company.
Anything you'd like to watch again, we have our replay in a moment over on 7 2. Otherwise, see you tomorrow night. Good night.
Good night.